In a world where a sudden rain shower can ruin any outdoor event, umbrellas are a lifesaver. But did you know that a small DIY repair can breathe new life into your umbrella? Umbrellas are an essential accessory for anyone living in a rainy climate, providing protection from the elements and adding a touch of style to our outfits. However, when an umbrella breaks or leaks, it's easy to toss it in the trash and buy a new one. But this can be a costly and environmentally unfriendly solution. The good news is that many umbrella issues can be easily fixed with a few simple DIY repairs, saving you money and extending the life of your umbrella. One common problem with umbrellas is that the canopy becomes waterlogged, causing it to become heavy and difficult to maneuver. This is usually due to a faulty seam or a torn fabric, which can be easily repaired with a needle and thread. To do this, start by turning the umbrella upside down and shaking out as much water as possible from the canopy. Next, use a soft brush to gently remove any dirt or debris from the fabric, taking care not to damage the delicate material. If the tear is small, you can use a needle and thread to sew it up. But for larger tears, you may need to use a patch or a specialized fabric glue. But that's not the strangest part, as some umbrellas have a unique feature that can make them more prone to water damage.
For example, some umbrellas have a waterproof coating that can wear off over time, making them more susceptible to leaks.
Avoid this is exposing it due to the harsh quality of the coating, or the way the chemicals or umbrella is cleaning stirred when not. To prevent this from happening, as I discovered that some umbrellas have a special mechanism that can help prevent water damage. And then something unexpected happened, as I discovered that some umbrellas have a special mechanism that can help prevent water damage. This mechanism, called a waterproofing treatment, is applied to the fabric during the manufacturing process and can help prevent water from seeping through the material. However, this treatment can wear off over time, making the umbrella more prone to leaks. To restore the waterproofing treatment, you can use a specialized fabric spray or apply a waterproofing cream to the affected area. But that's not the only thing you can do to extend the life of your umbrella, as regular maintenance can also help prevent damage and extend its lifespan. For example, make sure to clean your umbrella regularly to remove dirt and debris that can accumulate on the fabric. You can also use a specialized umbrella cleaner, or a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar, to clean the fabric and remove any stubborn stains. And if you notice any signs of wear or damage, such as torn seams or broken ribs, make sure to repair them promptly to prevent further damage. By following these simple DIY repairs and maintenance tips, you can breathe new life into your umbrella and extend its lifespan. In fact, with proper care and maintenance, an umbrella can last for many years, providing you with reliable protection from the elements. But what does this mean for the environment? As the production and disposal of umbrellas can have a significant impact on our planet. For centuries, umbrellas have been a popular accessory for people around the world, providing protection from the elements and adding a touch of style to our outfits. However, the production and disposal of umbrellas can have a significant impact on the environment, as the materials used to make them can be toxic and non-biodegradable. To reduce the environmental impact of umbrellas, look for ones made from sustainable materials, such as recycled plastic or organic cotton. You can also choose to buy second-hand umbrellas or repurpose old ones to reduce waste and minimize your carbon footprint. By making a few simple changes to our behavior, we can reduce the environmental impact of umbrellas and promote sustainability. In conclusion, umbrellas are an essential accessory for anyone living in a rainy climate, but they can also have a significant impact on the environment. By following these simple DIY repairs and maintenance tips, you can extend the life of your umbrella and reduce waste.
So next time you're tempted to toss your umbrella in the trash, remember the impact it can have on the environment and take the time to repair it instead.
If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and learn how to live a more sustainable lifestyle. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and join our journey of sustainability. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about umbrellas and how you plan to reduce your environmental impact. So remember, a little DIY magic can go a long way in extending the life of your umbrella and reducing waste.